Okay, so I got the one piece of salmon that I've already washed. We put some salt and a little black pepper on. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my adobo. Yeah, we're keeping it simple tonight for time's sake. Okay, let's flip it over and we're gonna do the same thing. Salt, black pepper, adobo. Next thing I'm going to do is take my little skillet here. A little skillet, y'all see it? I'm gonna use some coconut oil tonight to fry my salmon. It's a healthier option. Coconut oil. All right, let's get the coconut oil in the pan. You know how much of this stuff I need in a minute. Okay, so that should be good enough. I'm gonna go in with a little hot sauce on my fish. Just a little bit. Coconut oil smells good. Okay, let's go ahead and get that baby in the pan. Alright, salmon is cooking. We're frying our salmon in coconut oil tonight. And it's so hard because I'm so far away. Ooh, I better turn this down. Turn her down, y'all. It's cooking a little. Okay guys, this is about finished, and what I'm going to do is have some peach preserve, and we're just gonna glaze the salmon with this. Yes. See that? It's a beauty right there. Yes, sirree. Fresh salmon and glazed with some peach preserve. That's gonna be good.